Hello, here's your guide for Thursday, April 23rd in Work Packet 4. So we'll start with our printing and sight word practice. And just like before, please write neatly and don't forget your finger spaces. Read, trace, write, and also practice your sight words. So we're looking at don't, which is do not, put together, draw, every, and eight, like the number eight. Okay, so let's do the first couple with you, and we'll start with don't, and with the dotted line, try to follow this the best you can, up and down, touch the line, D-O-N apostrophe T, and then down here, try to fill in these ones by yourself, D-O-N apostrophe T, finger space, D-O-N apostrophe T. And you could fit one more there, maybe two more. Next word, draw, same thing. D-R-A-W, finger space, D-R-A-W. And you do the rest. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, we have a new digraph for you. It's the letters A and I together, and it sounds like A, like nay, nail, ray, rain. It's like A. Okay, A-I together. And let's use our highlighter. Practice the A sound like in nail and trail. Okay, so just like the last page, we'll start with practicing printing it. So finger space, A, I. The dot of the I goes above the middle line, finger space. Try to touch the middle line and the bottom line. And dot goes above, finger space, A, I. And please fill in the rest. And draw a tail on this monkey. He's missing his tail. Let's fill it in for him. Let's see, monkey tails usually curvy like this. That looks pretty good. Next one, complete these A words. So with the blank space, you just have to fill in AI, and then I want you to practice saying the word. So a J, 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 jail, jail, tr, tr, train, n, nail, rain, wait, wait. So we've got jail, train, nail, rain, wait. And the letters AI, they all sound the same in those words. Last part, draw hail coming from this cloud. Remember what hail is? It's like little chunks of ice falling from the sky. Well, sometimes they're really tiny, sometimes they're big like golf balls. And if they land on your car or your windows, it can really break stuff. Okay. Okay. Let's go down to our daily language review. Okay. And we'll zoom in a little bit. Okay. Daily language review, same thing as yesterday. Correct the sentences, number one. And number two, have some mistakes that we're going to fix. And let's read the sentence first. For number one, have you ever saw a rainbow after it rained? So if you see I underlined a word or something, there's a mistake that we have to fix. So have you ever saw a rainbow? Have you ever seen a rainbow after it rained? And it's missing punctuation at the end, and it's not going to be a period this time. It's going to be a question, so we need a question mark because they're asking you, have you ever seen a rainbow after it rained? Okay, and then we'll just fix it down here. Have, finger space, make sure your Y goes under the line, and try to make sure all your letters are touching the line. Have you ever seen a rainbow after it rained? That's usually when you'll see a rainbow. Have you ever seen a rainbow after it? I ran out of room, so I'm going to go back to this side. New line, after it rained. Maybe you can write smaller than me. Remember, I'm using my finger, so it's a little harder. Have you ever seen a rainbow after it rained? Question mark, because it's the question. Number 2, a rainbow happens when sunlight passes through raindrops. And I actually missed this one. So the reason sunlight and raindrops have lines, the words are spelt right, but they're supposed to be compound words. So sun and light need to be together, and rain and drops should be together. So it's just one word. Everything else looks good. A rainbow happens. Make sure P goes under the line because it's lowercase. A rainbow happens when sunlight, so it's a compound word. There's no space. It's all one word now. Compound word. A rainbow happens when sunlight passes through. Passes through. Make sure your G goes under the line. And same as the last one, we ran out of room. So we go back to the start. Passes through raindrops. One word, it's a compound word. Raindrops. And period, because they're just telling us something. It's not a question. Next one, write the missing root word. Use the bold word as a clue. That's number 3 here. Rainbows are made up of 7 colors. Rainbows are colorful. So you can see they spell colors C-O-L-O-R-S. That's the American way to spell it. We're in Canada, so we need a U after the second O. Rainbows are colorful. C-O-L-O-U-R. Oh, and they already have F-U-L at the end. There we go. Colorful. Okay, next one. Highlighter. Complete the sentence. Write a word that means full of beauty. Number 4. Most people think rainbows are. So if it's full of beauty, can you think of that word? It's one of our sight words. Beautiful. Remember how to spell that? Most people think rainbows are beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful means full of beauty. Those roses are beautiful. The rainbow is beautiful. Okay, next page. We'll do our reading and answer some questions. Okay. The story is called The Cook. And a little closer. Perfect. Please read the story and answer the questions. The story, you're going to see a lot of OB words, the OB family. Bob, job. Let's see. Here, I'll just show you. Well, Bob isn't a word, it's a name. So job, cob, sob, like when you cry. Okay. So let's read the questions first and then the story. Number 1, what is Bob's job? Number 2, why is Pat sobbing? Sobbing means crying. Number 3, what is Bob going to do? And let's look at the pictures too. So I see some corn on the cob, and I see this girl crying or sobbing. And then this is Bob, I think. He's got a spoon, he's holding a bowl, he's got a chef hat on. And the story is called The Cook. Without even reading the story, I think we know that his job is he's a cook. We should read it first anyway. I am Bob. My job is to cook. I want corn on the cob, Pat said to Bob. I do not have corn on the cob, said Bob. Oh no. Do not sob, said Bob. I will find corn on the cob. I will cook corn on the cob for you. Wow, Bob's a nice guy. Okay, number 1, what is Bob's job? Let's see. I am Bob. My job is to cook. So Bob is a cook. We can say he is a cook. Period. Number 2, why is Pat sobbing? Why is she crying? Okay, so he said, I do not have corn on the cob. Oh no, do not sob, said Bob. So she's crying because he doesn't have corn. Sorry about that, I dropped my microphone. Okay, why is Pat sobbing? Because Bob has no corn. We'll say because. Usually you shouldn't start a sentence with because, but it's okay. Because Bob has no corn. Because Bob has no corn. You know what? That period should really be on the line, shouldn't it? There. Number 3, what is Bob going to do? What does he say? I will find corn on the cob. I will cook corn on the cob for you. So he will find some corn and cook it for her. How do we say that in less words? He will find and cook some corn. He will find and cook. I don't think I can fit some corn, so we'll just say corn. He will find and cook corn. If you have room, you could say he will find and cook some corn for Pat. Okay, looks good. If I'm going too fast, just pause or rewind. Okay, let's move on to our math. Daily math review. There we go. Daily math review. Okay, question number 1. 9 plus 8 equals, so 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 plus 8 equals 17. And next question, blank take away 9 equals 8. So we don't need to use our number line. We can use the first question we did to figure it out. Let's see. It has to be 17 take away 9 equals 8. Because if 9 plus 8 equals 17, if I take 9 from 17, 8 will be left. Let's double check to be sure. Start at 17 and we're going to go backwards by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it. Okay. Question 2, 16 take away 4. 16 take away 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 take away 4 is 12. Now 16 take away 8. So why don't we just continue where we left? So this was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 take away 8 equals 8. Number 3, write the numbers in order from least to greatest. So smallest to biggest. Okay, so we have 6, 42, 17, 88, and 3, least to greatest. So the smallest number is 3, and it helps if you cross out the number once you use it. The next smallest number is 6. Next one will be 17. And the next one is 42. Next one is 88. Question number 4. If 9 plus 5 equals 14, if 9 plus 5 equals 14, then blank take away 5 equals 9. So remember, we can do it backwards. 14 take away 5 will equal 9. You can think of addition, and it's kind of like subtraction. If you go backwards, you will get the same numbers. So 14 take away 5 equals 9. Let's double check. 14 take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got it. Question 5, word question. Asian elephants can be as tall as 9 feet. African elephants can be as tall as 12 feet. How much taller can African elephants be than Asian elephants? Blank feet. Okay, let's get the key stuff out of here. So Asian elephants can be as tall as 9 feet. African elephants can be as tall as 12 feet. And how much taller can African elephants be than Asians? Let's see. So we should do subtraction because we need to know the difference. So African elephants, 12 feet tall. Take away Asian elephants, 9 feet tall. 12 take away 9. 12 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12 take away 9 equals 3. So African elephants can be 3 feet taller than Asian elephants. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Oops. Question 1, 25 plus 5. So you see our number line only goes up to 20. So let's use our blank space here. And we'll write it up and down instead of sideways. 25 plus 5 equals, so start in the ones place. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 0 down here, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 25 plus 5 equals 30. Next question, 30 plus 5. We'll just keep going here. 30 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is going to be 5, because 0 means nothing. 3, drop it down because there's nothing under it. 30 plus 5 equals 35. Question 2, write plus or minus in the circle. So 18 blank 3 equals 15. So it's a smaller number, so it's got to be take away. 18 take away 3 equals 15. 11 blank 4 equals 15. A bigger number, so where it's got to be plus. 11 plus 4 equals 15. Number 3, circle the even numbers. So remember, even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And we're only looking at the last number in the ones place. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. We'll even write that to help us think about it. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Those are even numbers. So 6 is yes. 9, no. 12, it ends with a 2, so yes. 43, no. 36 ends with a 6, so yes. 65, no. Number 4, 30 take away 10 equals 20. Yes or no? So let's change this into words, or into numbers. So 30 take away 10 equals 20. Okay, and if you're not sure, looking at that, you can write it up and down. 30 take away 10. So in the ones place, 0 take away 0 is 0. 3 take away 1 is 2. So yes, that's correct. Question number 5. Rainbow stickers cost 10 cents each. How much will it cost Jill to buy 9 stickers? And show your work. Okay, so you can add this one or you can use your multiplication. Let me show you both ways because you might not be ready to multiply. So we know each one costs 10 cents and she's going to buy 9 of them. So we could do 10. This will show you why multiplication is good. We could add 10 9 times because she's buying 9 stickers. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. You see what's happening? It's kind of funky, isn't it? Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We know that's going to be 0. And then these are all 1s, so we can just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it'll cost her 90 cents. Now let me show you how multiplication can help you with this. 10 times 9. 0 times 9 is 0. Any number times 0 will be 0. 9 times 1 is 9. Any number times 1 will be the same number. Okay? Can you see how this is so much better than this? Okay? That's why you need to learn multiplication. All right, one more page. And I just want to say thank you if you're actually watching these videos and doing your work. Because I'll be honest, a lot of people aren't. So if you're one of the ones who are, good for you. I appreciate it. I'm making these videos for you. And I'll keep making them. Even if nobody watches them, I'll keep making it. Okay, remember to start in the ones place. And we're subtracting numbers today. Always start with the ones place. Adding, subtracting, multiplying in the ones place. And ones are here, tens are here. So I did the first one for you. 7 take away 5 is 2. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Okay, same thing here. I'll do a couple with the number line, and then I'll blast through the last few to show you how fast it is once you know all this stuff in your brain. Okay, 8 take away 5. 8 take away, so we get a smaller number, right? 8 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 take away 5 equals 3. 7 take away 2. 7 take away 1, 2 equals 5. So 78 take away 25 equals 53. And we'll do one more with the number line. I want you to learn how to do these in your head, but when you're just learning, it's good to use that line. 2 take away 1. Do we need to use the line? Probably not, but just in case. 2 take away 1 equals 1. 9 take away 7. 9 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. So 92 take away 71 equals 21. Okay. I'm actually going to do one more with the number line because I can show you a little math rule right here. So 9 take away 5. 9 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. And 5 take away 5. 5 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0. That doesn't look right, does it? Never start a number with 0. Okay? If it's at the start of the number and it's a 0, just leave it blank. So 59 take away 55 is 4. Okay, now let me show you, because I went to school and I studied and I always showed up and I always did my work and I listened to my teachers. They helped me build a calculator inside of my brain. I don't need number lines. I don't need calculators. I just need my brain. Check it out. 8 take away 6 equals 2. 6 take away 3 equals 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. 5 take away 4 is 1. 3 take away 0 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. 3 take away 0 is 3. 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 8 is 0. 6 take away 3 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. 7 take away 3 is 4. 7 take away 2 is 5. 9 take away 3 is 6. 8 take away 7 is 1. And 8 take away 3 is 5. Okay? Anybody can do that. You can do that. You just need to practice and practice and practice. Okay? And it feels so good once you don't need to use any help. You just do it in your brain. Okay, that's it for Thursday's lesson. And once again, I really appreciate you watching this and doing your homework. And keep working hard. Trust me, I promise you this will pay off one day. Okay. Next day is Friday, same thing, but there will be a journal entry too. Okay. So stay tuned. On Friday, I will post Friday's video. I'm just doing one at a time so you can stay on track. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. And I'm just going to draw a little picture. You don't have to stay and watch if you don't want, but just for fun. Okay. Let's see. Let's draw a nice, beautiful... Hey, where's my green? Why is it black? Okay, we can only use black on here. Unless we can use these brushes. Interesting. Okay. Okay, let's make a nice background. Where's the fill? This one. And we'll make it purple. Let's make it nighttime. And then we'll have some grassy hills. And why don't we use this one? We'll make it really big. Oops, I didn't want that to be green. Okay. Why don't we make a nice hill and a nice house on top of it. So we can fill this with green. There we go. Yeah, let's use a different brush. About our pencil crayon. And our house can be yellow. No, this one, beige. Okay. Here's my funky house. Nice and big. There we go. And we can use our fill. There. That's looking like a house. Let's go with this. And we'll go back to black. And there. Definitely need a door in your house, right? And a window. And a doorknob. And let's have a nice big window right here. Yeah, 2 windows. Why not? And there we go. A chimney. We'll add some smoke in a second. So let's fill in our chimney with brown. Nice. Inside of our house, let's make it... yes, that's looking good. And then we can use spray paint and gray. This will look nice for the smoke coming out of our chimney. And it kind of looks like it's nighttime, so let's add the moon in there too. Let's go tiny yellow. I'm actually going to add a couple stars here. It's looking pretty cool. Okay. Now we're missing the moon. And let's make it like a crescent shape. And then we can fill it in. Nice. Looking cool. Okay, one more thing. Let's add some little wing nuts inside. Make it nice and tiny. Here's a tiny little wing nut in the window. He's a happy wing nut. Okay. And he's bald because he's Caillou. Okay. And we'll have a girl wing nut on this side. And you know what? She can have some hair. But it's going to be spray paint hair, and it's going to be red. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. One more thing. Let's make our door brown. Yeah. And we better have a gold doorknob. No! That actually looks pretty cool. But a pink doorknob is kind of hard to... Yes, we got it. Okay. And... Too small. Bye, Wingy. All right. Thank you for watching. And take care of yourself. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're drinking your water, getting some sleep, and doing your homework. Okay. Take care. Au revoir.